Saw it come up and feed, which was so sick. So sick!
Radical! Teeth. His teeth are going in there.
Yeah, I think she's got it. I think she's got it.
Last week on Walde Sailing, we stopped for a night in Nootka Sound and dropped anchor in Santa Gertrudis Cove and took a hike to a freshwater lake. The next morning, we were so excited to pick up anchor again and set sail towards Hot Springs Cove, an extraordinary 50-degree Fahrenheit natural phenomenon that draws hundreds, if not thousands, of tourists per year to its waterfall and hot baths. The plan this week is to sail 27 nautical miles to the ocean town of Tofino. But before that, we said a sad goodbye to Hot Springs Cove, parted way with our friend Josh, and made our way out into open waters for what turned out to be a great and relaxing sail.
Humpbacks again!
Saw their valves.
Yeah, we did with our own eyes. We saw it come up and feed, which was so sick. So sick!
Radical!
I don't say that word. I don't know why I said it. Anyway, do you notice that there's no swell? It's so nice. We've got not a lot of wind, but like 10 knots on our side. And so we're going along at about 3.5 knots, which is perfect. We have to get into Tofino at high water slack because there's crazy currents and there's a bar. We should be on schedule if we're going this speed on average. It's really nice. There's no great place to anchor in Tofino. The currents are really high and like passing boats can cause it to be really rough. And we would like to go surfing, so we'd like to be able to leave the boat with peace of mind. So we're going to tie up to the government dock, which is the first time we've had to do it. So right away there's a good expense. And then we have to get some groceries. We're probably going to go out for some food and some coffee, so it's going to be pricey. But this is one of the destinations we are very excited about in our circumnavigation. So we know it's going to be expensive, but we're okay with it. Because I've never been and I'm so excited. The wind is fairly light and just behind us, so wing on wing is the best point of sail, but it's not going very good at the moment.
You got me stranded like a branch in the wind. Tell me what you long for. Oh, I want what you want. You left me empty-handed. I'm drying up in the sun like an empty gun. Oh, there's nothing I wouldn't do now. No.
That was a first. We're
lifting up somebody else's boat. But we're here. The weather is a little bit rainy feeling, but it hasn't rained, so hopefully it's just fog and it'll pass. It smells like fish, but it smells like fish and chips, and that smells really good. So I think we're gonna head into town pretty quick.
Forecast is never right.
The forecast is never what we want it to be.
No, it was supposed to be sunny yesterday. It wasn't sunny. It's supposed to be sunny today. It's not sunny.
As soon as we got onto, like, walking around onto the main road yesterday, we ran into this couple that was like, we just watched your latest episode, and I think it sounds like he's done some sailing. His girlfriend never has, so anyways, it was really awesome to meet some people that we've inspired. Like, what? That's so weird. But anyway, so we're gonna hang out with them tonight. We've got a bunch of laundry to do today. Gotta get a few groceries. I think we're gonna stay another night here, and then the fun stuff will happen tomorrow. So we gotta go talk to them about the laundry facilities and get a coffee, obviously.
No, right.
That's a box. We need to stay in shape just for like actual living.
This is Ben and Allie, the couple that stopped us on the street the previous night.
Oh, hi!
And this is Bruce.
Careful, buddy, it's hot. No.
All three of them joined us for a really great evening with many laughs and good, interesting conversation. Ben and Allie had a sailboat charter booked for the following month and had a few questions for us. What would you like to ask us?
Oh, well, I need the camera then.
Oh, you want
It's
the
interview
video?
style, yeah.
Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, it's recording.
They're like, this is private time.
I mean,
Well, the general topic was sailing related. Some questions were more serious than others.
who can tie a bowline faster?
Me, for sure.
Do you think?
Oh, challenge accepted.
I'd be really
I think we should have a challenge.
I think we should see
I
this.
think we
On your mark, get set, go.
Oh no! I'm already behind.
I'm stressed for you.
This way? Oh no.
Teeth. These teeth
Da,
are
da,
all
da,
in
da, da,
there.
da,
Mine's messed up.
I think she's got it. I think she's got it. Oh, sorry.
Ultimately, our conversation ended up on this one about orcas.
do stuff. They've started eating sharks now, which is different, and they figured out how to flip them onto their backs, and they'll eat just their heart or just their liver and leave the rest.
Well, what happens?
As a sign.
What happens is they flip them on
Still
their
more
back.
Just because that's the most nutritious part of them, and then the rest of them are like, we don't care.
They're not like a mafia.
They're just kind of.
Tell your family.
This is a sign for all you other fish out there. That's hilarious.
Maybe they are though. Maybe they're that
A
smart.
great white with no heart.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm nervous.
Howdy. How's it going? Good. Good? What's up, guys? It is small out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this desk hooks you up with rentals.
Sorry.
You might want to try it before, make sure it fits.
Okay. Ben just informed us that our boots are supposed to go on the inside of our wetsuits, and he's just gonna let us walk around like fools. So we're gonna quickly change that.
There you go. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, nice.
Season.
Yeah.
Quick, let me do it.
Well, we're back with Allie and Ben. They're kind enough to take us surfing. So hopefully we don't make fools of ourselves.
We already did, so.
Oh yeah, we already did.
Pounding up there.
Full one in the back
How you
there.
doing?
Good, I'm nervous.
Go Tiff, go! Paddle, paddle, paddle! Paddle! Yeah!
Exhausted. Yeah. Cheese. Oh my goodness. Stop to be bad. This has been the best ever, and we both are in love with surfing. Confirmed.
I would go for hours more, but
I know.
I just physically can't. I finished on a good wave.
That was awesome. I got pictures of it.
Of my sick wave.
Yeah.
I did that while I was riding once.
Oh man, Lyndon. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Can you help me
I just
move?
had to.
We love surfing!
That's so fun.
This is awesome. Thank you, Ben and Allie. You guys are the best. So much fun.
Oh, look who it is.
Hey! You got everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, thanks so much.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Good luck on your trip.
Bye.
Really nice.
We hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and thanks again to Ben and Allie for just being so kind and welcoming to us. You truly made our time in Tofino one for the books. Since our trip to Tofino, Ben and Allie have begun a hunt for a sailboat of their own. Check out a link to their page below. If you'd like to see more content like this, let us know. Or if you'd like to be part of making these videos possible, become a patron. They are the lifeblood behind these videos. A very special thank you to them. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we look forward to seeing you here next week. Bye for now.